Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's project, we will be making a card for Valentine's Day. All you need is some cardstock and your Cricut or Silhouette. I got this design from Cricut Design Space, and it was ready to use from the project section. If you want to use this design as well, just search Love You Arrow Card, then click on it and choose Make It. I'll show you a quick little trick that I do. Do you see how there are 6 different mats here for 6 different colors? I like to stick most of my cuts down to 1 or 2 mats so I don't have to load and unload the machine a whole bunch of times. You don't have to do this step, but it is super easy to do. Pick a mat that doesn't have very many pieces. On the shape, you're going to see these 3 little dots. Click on them and then choose Move Object. The light gray mat has 3 cuts on it already, so I'll move everything there. Select the light gray mat, then press Confirm. I'll just pull it over to the other corner, so I know that these each need to be a different color. Now we'll go to mat 3 and do the same thing. Pick a shape, click on the 3 dots, then click Move Object. These shapes will be a 3rd color, so I'll give them a new spot on the mat. Just keep repeating this process until everything is where you want it to go. When you're putting the cardstock on the mat, just line up each piece to the corners so they match where you put them in Design Space. Once your machine is done cutting, flip the mats over and pull the mat away from the cardstock. For little pieces that stick to the mat, just grab your lifter tool to help take them off carefully. Now it's time to assemble the card. Just grab your glue and stick everything down where you want it to go. This card is done and ready to give to that special person in your life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.